Work harder, not smarter.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am Leonica and today we have a very special guest in the house with us today. Hey guys, I'm Anandita, and as you can already tell by the video title that we're going to do a sister tag. So it's a very random video, honestly. We have googled some questions and we're going to answer them. Okay, so the first question is what's the best and the worst quality about each other, obviously. Okay, so you can start since you're the guest here.
Okay, so if I'm the guest, you should maybe start.
Okay, so I'll do that. I think the best quality about her is that she's very secure. She doesn't feel insecure very easily. I do, but she doesn't. I mean,
No, it is true. I don't.
she doesn't. And the worst is like she's kind of like a ticking time bomb. I mean, if I ask her to do something and then I'd probably be scared to ask her the second time because then she'd just
Okay.
there's no need to invite trouble.
In my defense, I just don't like to be told to do the same thing again and again. Like if you've told me once, I will do it on my own time.
This is not a courthouse. You don't get to have a defense here. So you just have to answer the questions. No one is interested in the defense.
Shut up. I am interested in defending myself. Anyways, so your best quality, her best quality would probably be like she puts in effort to make other people's day feel good, like what I say, like for example if it's an occasion, so she'll put in that extra effort to, like for example, to prepare the entire brunch or dinner, or she'll set up the table nicely, and she does those small things. So that's, I think, her best quality, because she puts in effort to do things for others. And her worst quality probably would be like she thinks too much of herself. She thinks that she's always right, and
Because
whatever.
I am majority of the
You're
times.
not.
I am.
You're not. So let's go past that, because you're not always right. But you just like to put. I would say like put other people down, but sometimes
It's just
knowingly
going eye
or
for eye.
knowingly or unknowingly you do that. So that's a little annoying sometimes.
Okay. 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 So the next question is describe each other in 3 words. So this time we should go for it.
Okay. Funny. Sad enough.
What?
Okay, she's funny. She is ambitious. And I'd probably say like hardworking too.
Excuse me. Okay. So I'll say secure.
We can like go
Quiet.
past secure.
I mean, it is an enduring quality. So, but yeah, secure, ambitious, and she's a go-getter sort of. I mean, she slacks sometimes, but then when she has to get things done, she will do that. Yeah. So I don't know the terminology exactly for it. What should I exactly? I don't know how to.
I don't slack.
What?
I just take rest when it's necessary.
Yeah, like 5 days a week rest and then.
But
2
when
days
I
hustling.
do work, but that is the thing. No, you should be a smart worker. Okay, this is not a courthouse. Just real good.
Work harder, not smarter. That's her motto. Right.
Work harder, not smarter.
Sorry. Work smarter, not harder. That's her motto. So, anyway. Do you have nicknames for each other?
I think
Should I start?
what? You start.
So, we don't really have nicknames for each other, but we have had nicknames growing up, like obviously in the house. But if I tell hers, I'm sure I won't hear the end of it. So I wanted her to call me Nix because A, I have those letters in my name, and B, growing up, people will always call me Noyo. Like in school, I used to hate that. It just somehow, it reminded me of that toy that we used to have that went up and down. Yo-yo, yeah. Yo-yo, are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
so
think
it was
so.
yo-yo, and I used to hate that. And I think even till today, some of my old friends would call me Noyo, which now I hate. Yeah, so I wanted to get out of that, and I tried making up a lot of names, but nothing fit me. And anyway, she never called me Nix.
Okay, if your story time is over, then
Yeah.
we'll move on to another question.
Who's the messiest? I'll let you answer. I'll let you be honest and answer this one.
Yeah, I am.
Okay. That
Be
was
quick.
What would you say is your sibling's dream job?
Your would be acting.
And hers would be working in fashion as a designer. So that's very
Yeah,
easy.
like having my own brand. To be specific.
Yeah, okay. Got it. Your sibling's shoe size.
I think it has the same size, so it's just not even like it's a no-brainer. We are like 37.
37.
37.
We can go up or down depending on the brand. Next is who sleeps the longest?
You. These days, like earlier when we were kids, I used to sleep the longest. Like I could sleep and sleep and sleep, but now I think I go to sleep on time and I wake up on time. And she's definitely the one who sleeps the longest.
Okay. What animal would your sibling be?
I would be a dog. Sorry, I have to ask you. You would be a chameleon.
Come, it's you.
You change size very quick.
What do you mean? You're making me look like some, Talika vendor.
Can I stop talking like Karan Johar? I don't know why, but I literally got a Karan Johar vibe from him.
But you're making me look like a Talika vendor right now.
He literally talks like that. Anyways, what I meant is like, if we'll be having a discussion between us, and then you'll be like, oh no, yeah, you're right. But when we are having a discussion in a group,
you're talking about
she kind of
the
like
discussion we
gets-
had last,
Yeah,
evening.
but
Yeah,
so
that was
that's
just this one time, and it was
that.
no,
No,
I think
that's not the first time. You always do this. That's why buying a community.
no. I think
So okay, so what animal do you think that you resemble?
no, I don't have to answer for myself. I'll answer for her. She could probably be one of those crazy chihuahuas, like the ones that bite. I'll probably insert a picture or something so that people understand.
But they are cute, so I'm fine with that.
Yeah, they're very cute. I'll show you guys. Okay, so next is which one of you take more selfies? Again, very simple. She
Yeah.
is always clicking selfies, and I'm never clicking them. So.
But they never come out right.
Yeah, I mean, but she could go
That's the
on for
irony.
hours trying to get that one selfie right.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Maybe you shouldn't if it's taking you hours to get that one picture. Maybe you should just drop
Maybe you should just keep your opinion to yourself, okay? Nobody asked for it.
Okay. If your sibling could be invisible for a day, what would they do?
She'd probably go and stalk people like in person if she could. Don't tell me you don't like stalking people, huh?
Like now, okay. Suddenly, this entire video has become
What?
bash Nayonika video, roast Nayonika
No, it's
video.
not. I'm just answering the questions truthfully. But okay, so wouldn't you?
I think
you
everyone's
wouldn't-
guilty pleasure is to stalk people once in a while. I think everyone does that,
But
no
you do it quite
no
often.
one admits it. That's what I think.
But you could do it quite often.
I'm sorry, I don't even have the time to do.
Oh my god!
that.
Do not make me open my mouth.
Shut up. Okay. Okay, I didn't answer yours. I think probably rob a bank. Or no, I think she'll just she'll steal some Jacquemus clothes.
Yeah,
Go to
that I
Paris,
might do.
steal some Jacquemus clothes, come back.
Why would I want to come back then?
I mean,
Never
yeah.
come back.
What are you even going to do if you're invisible? Nobody's going to see you wear all those clothes. Okay? You have to come back and become visible again.
Yeah, true.
Okay, so this is, I think, our last question. Yeah, it's our last question, and it's who takes longer to get ready?
Her.
No.
Yes. Do not lie. You don't take it. I can literally do my makeup if I have to in like maximum 15 minutes, and with my hair probably extra 10 minutes, and she'll take an entire hour to do her makeup and then her hair, probably more than an hour. And moreover, she's like very lazy, and she's like
She's
a
slow.
tortoise.
I think don't
No,
say
you
lazy. Say you're slow. I mean, this is again becoming a roast Veronica video
Okay,
instead of a
but
sibling
you are
tag.
lazy because you take so much time to even get out of bed. So you are lazy, but then she's also like very slow. She does everything very slowly, and I'm like quick. So
I do things slow when I know I have time. So why would I, just rush my makeup and ruin it?
you ruin her makeup.
Shut up. That's only when my skin is not behaving.
When is it?
It's it's winters. It's my skin is behaving odd.
Okay, so you literally woke me up at 10 o'clock for these few questions.
So these were the 10 questions that we answered for you guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and her channel as well, which is
On the tip, and I make videos every Thursday.
it's not your channel, and I make videos every Friday, and I will see you next week. Bye.